Everybody knows the frequency of light.
Yeah.
What is the frequency of darkness?
ये क्वेश्चन बनाते कहाँ से हैं हम लोग?
If everybody wants to go to heaven, then why nobody wants to die?
पे यहाँ पे जो मिलेगा हेवन में मिले नहीं, किसको पता नहीं पता यार।
But सबको तो जाना है, सभी बोलते हैं
सबको जाना है, लेकिन हाँ जन्नत
मरना क्यों नहीं चाहता?
वहाँ पे क्या क्या आइटम है पता नहीं है ना एक्चुअली। यहाँ पे तो एक्चुअली कम से कम पता है, यहाँ पे भाई मिल जाएगा, उस दुकान पे मेंथॉल मिल जाएगा, सिगरेट मिल जाएगा। वहाँ पे कोई पता नहीं है ना क्या मिलेगा क्या रहेगा।
कैटलॉग चाहिए हेवन जाने के लिए।
वही तो यार,
सब में कुछ जाने के पहले कुछ तो देखना पड़ेगा ना, यहाँ पे क्या क्या मिलता है क्या।
If we buy a 200 things, then also we check that out कि how is it, and without knowing
मतलब
we'll
सबको
agree to
कंफर्मेशन
die.
चाहिए, कंफर्मेशन
बिना
चाहिए।
जाने बुझे मर जाना I don't think so.
I think internally we all believe that we want to live in heaven, which is when we are alive itself. So internally might be we are not thinking that we are going to die, and after that only you can achieve heaven.
क्योंकि उसका एविडेंस नहीं है। अगर कोई आदमी मर के जाता फिर कांटेक्ट कर नहीं सकते मेरे संग। हाँ हम भूत बोल रहे हैं, हाँ अरे यार हेवन में है, मैं तू भी आ जा मर के, बहुत अच्छा है यहाँ, सब अच्छा से फैसिलिटी है, घर है अपना गाड़ी है, वो तो नहीं है।
At least I want to go to hell. I don't want to go to heaven. Heaven will not have booze and stuff that I like. So for me, at least it's hell.
That means you know actually what is hell or heaven.
At least according to me.
We kind of experience the hell and heaven on earth actually.
Because heaven is on earth only. You can go Switzerland, क्योंकि स्विट्जरलैंड को अर्थ का हेवन बोला जाता है।
Heaven and hell is a concept created by man. It's not something which we know or which we have experienced. And why would you want to leave the good things of life and go to heaven when you don't know whether you're going to drink or have a party or what else in heaven?
If swimming is a good exercise, then why blue whales is so fat?
I don't like swimming. It gives you tan. Actually, human body और माने whales body में थोड़ा फर्क होता है ना। जैसे
Kind of food intake that you do and the amount of exercise that you do, that should actually balance out to give you that slim, structure of your body. I think they eat more and swim less.
I guess the blue whale eats a lot of desert. I don't know.
blue whales are the ones who are the sea animals. Okay. So it's like God has invented it. Okay.
There
We
are many
the-
sea animals who are thin.
Oh, okay, listen.
जीन्स में होगा।
हाँ?
उन लोग के जीन्स में होगा।
जीन्स में होगा, might be. सही मायने में उसमें ज़्यादा चर्बी है।
Why gum doesn't stick on its bottle?
Sorry?
Why?
Gum doesn't stick on its bottle,
On its
on its own bottle.
gum. Oh, अच्छा. It's a quite difficult question.
I think this is about physics because
a certain adhesive actually works on two surfaces to put the thing together. Okay. So I think it's not made to work on that bottle surface. Hence it is not sticking to the bottle itself. I know that, but it is about the material, I believe. And also when you expose it to air, then only it will dry and it will stick to it, the bottle. But it does actually. If you see the Fevicol inside the tube, sometimes it goes dry and it sticks to the Fevicol tube itself.
so it does actually sometimes.
It's a bottle which is giving the room to the gum. Someone who gives me space to live, I can't betray that. So if there is no bottle, there won't be any gum. So the gum needs to be honest to the bottle so it doesn't stick to the bottle.
Actually, he is honest with its own bottle.
Completely.
Okay.
No, not honest.
No, it's honest.
He's giving us space
he's loyal,
because he's
loyal.
taking a space.
I think gum is being loyal to its residents.
Yeah.
Exactly.
He's giving space because he's taking space.
So I think, that's my logic.
हम लोग in case of human beings, we use shut up. But in case of computer, we use shut down. Why?
We are from corporate
You
background.
need a special program, and to run a human being, you also need a special program. So special program, special features.
See, shut up is it's not an instruction. Shut up is something which we expect you to do, expect any human being to do. But as a computer, we don't expect it to do anything which is not fed up. So shutdown is like completely dead. Shutdown is a thing we use for machine because machine can be dead or alive as per my instructions. But happily or unhappily, my husband, my friend, my whatever, it is a man or a woman, they don't live as per my instructions.
Actually वो machine है,
तो क्या हुआ?
तो वो shut down करना पड़ता है। हम लोग इंसान हैं, इसलिए shut up बोलते हैं हम लोग।
I don't know, yeah. I can't answer this one. I have not devised the shutdown one, so I don't know.
Zebra जो होता है, उसके white के ऊपर black stripes आता है या black के ऊपर white?
I think the zebra is the most race neutral animal you can ever find. there is white and black on the same level, not one on top of another.
Hi. The maximum speed on a car is given 130 km per hour. But why it is not allowed to run on the road in 130 km per hour? Why? Why? I know there are many more questions in your mind like this. So if you have them, write on the comment and share this video, like this video, and subscribe to the most logical channel, illogical channel, maybe illogical channel, Crazy Thoughts, and you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. So, bye, tada. But there are few unlucky people.
This is a different generation.
वो लोग तो ऑलरेडी हीरोज हैं, वो लोग तो ऑलरेडी हीरोज हैं, तो उनको करने की जरूरत नहीं ना।
करवा लिया छाती का बाल,
बहुत दर्द होता है।
ठीक है, सोच लो करवा लिया, ठीक है,
करवा लिया अभी।
घर जाके टी शर्ट उतारा, डैडी ने देख लिया, तो डैडी का